Hello viewers, welcome to VrushuRaj classes YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to tell you one amazing trick of multiplication. When we multiply any number by 9, especially double digit number by 9, how to get the answer just in 1 second. Yes, 1 second. You can easily get the answer in 1 second. But to understand this trick, you have to watch this video till end, because half knowledge is always the dangerous knowledge. If you watch this half video, you will not at all understand this trick and you will not get the correct answer. This trick is very simple and very interesting. Okay, first I'll write few numbers on the board and we will multiply double digit number by 9. Okay, here I have written few 2-digit number and I have multiplied with 9. Now how to write answer? Just in 1 second I am going to write the answer. 34 into 9, 306. 56 into 9, 504. 78 into 9, 702. 23 into 9, 207. 67 into 9, it's 603. Okay, fine. Now how to find this answer? And as I said, there is one important factor which you have to remember while multiplying these numbers. Now how to multiply this? When you have the number, only multiply 9 with this units digit. 9 4s are 36 and just place 1 0 in between. 306. 9 6s are 54. 9 8s are 72. 9 3s are 27. 9 7s are 63. And as I said, watch this video till end. So how we get this correct answer? This is possible. This trick we can apply only when the 2-digit number have the continuous number. Means the numbers are consecutive numbers. Means 3 4 5 6 7 8 2 3 6 7. We cannot apply this trick for any other numbers. Means suppose if it is 27 into 9, then we cannot multiply 9 7s are 63. We cannot write the answer as 603. But if we just observe the numbers and if we come across like these numbers, just in 1 second we can write the answer. There are many amazing tricks. Yes, in mathematics there are many such amazing tricks. Few videos I have already shared on our YouTube channel. You can just check those videos. So hope this trick was quite interesting. Please don't forget to share such interesting tricks among your friends, and to get the updates of such interesting videos, subscribe our channel, that is VrushuRaj Classes. My dear students, thank you so much for watching this video.